Welcome childrens. Let's start with the next chapter, that is Internet Services. So for today your subtopics are brief history of the Internet, popular services on the Internet, Internet, which stands for International Network or Interconnection of Network. So here network is what actually? Let's try to understand the concept of network with this short video.
In our daily life, we come across with different types of network. Let us understand this concept by some examples. Telephone system, road network, automated telemachine, that is ATM, bank, video conferencing. These all are the examples of networking.
So here, connectivity between more than two devices is an example of network. It can be computers, it can be telephone, it can be a road connectivity or bank connectivity. This all is networking. So when you connect these networks of networks, it creates internet. Internet is defined as a network of millions of computers connected to each other worldwide. So when you connect millions and millions of computers all over the globe, it is a internet. It is a interconnection of networks. It enables the user to share ideas and search for information on any topic. So with the help of internet, you can share your files, you can share your data, you can share the informations, you can also search any type of informations. Let's move on further. Let's find out what is the history behind internet. Well, in 1969, the US Defense Department set an Advanced Research Project Agency, that was ARPA, for further research. They designed a network of 4 computers to exchange and share their data. This network was called ARPANET, that is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. So, in 1969, US, they first designed a very short network that was only with 4 computers just to exchange some data. And further, this went on increasing. Later, many universities were allowed to join this network and also share their informations. Internet was actually used only by engineers, scientists and computer experts initially. Okay, but now at this era, everyone have started using it for sending messages, for sending files. Even we are also interacting with the help of computers. This was the beginning of networking of computers, which grew bigger day by day and gave birth to the internet. So, further, in India, the internet services started on 15th August 1995. So, you should remember this day. 15th August 1995, the internet services started in India. We'll repeat the date again, 15th August 1995. Very good. Well, let's see some popular internet services provider, that is ISP. Now what is ISP? ISP are the companies which provides us the services for internet. So there are some examples here. Jio, you all know very well, Airtel, Idea, BSNL, Vodafone, these all are some ISPs. These are all our internet services provider. So let's find out some popular services on the internet. Here are some services. The first one is World Wide Web, that is www. Second is video conferencing. And third is chatting. Today we will cover these three services of internet. Let's find out what is World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is a means of sharing information over the internet. World Wide Web contains millions of documents called as web pages. Each page contains text, graphics, video, audio and links to the other web pages called hyperlinks. So whichever pages you see on the internet, when you go through any information on internet, one single pages screen which comes in front of you, that is your web page. Okay, and on one web page you can find text, graphics, you can find videos, you can find audios or links. Links are some special text or pictures. When you click on that text or pictures, it leads to you some other web page. A software program required to access and go through the web pages is called web browser. To read these web pages, to search any website, we need web browser. Here are some popular web browsers: Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox. Well children, do you know who is the father of World Wide Web? That's Sir Tim Berners-Lee. In 1990, while working at European Council for Nuclear Research, that is CERN, Sir Tim Berners-Lee, along with Robert Gallo, invented the World Wide Web. Let's move on for the next services, that is video conferencing. A video conference is a mode of communication that involves exchanging audio and video at the same time between people sitting at geographical different location. The best example is when you go for WhatsApp call or you can go for Zoom. These all are the example of video conferencing. Here we can exchange our audio and video. We are communicating with the help of audio and video. You can see the person sitting on the other hand. Maybe that person is very far. He is at some other location. You can hear him, you can see him very well. It involves the use of camera known as webcam as well as microphone. So for video conferencing, camera is must and also microphone. The participants can also capture video and audio data in real time. So while you are interacting, while you are communicating with a person, you can also record your full conversation. It is mostly used by political, business, medical or social welfare. And some of the example for this video conferencing, famous example is Google Meet or Skype. Let's move further. Chatting. So I know you all are very good in chatting. WhatsApp chat. Let's see what exactly is chatting. A chat is a text-based communication between one or more users in which messages are exchanged back and forth in real time through a chat software. So here the best example is our WhatsApp messages when we are sending, right? When you are sending to your friends and you get a reply back. This is a chatting. It also allows you to interact with the other users through voice and video chats. Chat is also known as online chat or internet chat. A chat room is a site on the internet where people can exchange messages. It can be through instant messaging about a particular subject. Let's recapitulate what we have learned today. ARPANET, that is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Here we have learned the history of Internet. Next we have learned about ISPs, that is Internet Services Provider. The companies which provide you the service of Internet. The examples were Reliance Jio, then you were having Idea, Airtel, Tata, BSNL. Next, a video conference is a mode of communication that involves exchanging audio and video. A chat is a text-based message or a communication between one or more users in which messages are exchanged back and forth. Well, my children, that's all for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and go digital. Do subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. God bless you.